Yan po ay no filter. I would like to remind all of you, Jesus loves you. Jesus loves all of us. Okay? So, yan. No filter po. We don't have to put a lot of filters. Baka mahirap din po tayo kilala. Okay? No filter. Okay? So, this is Jasper John Richards, and inviting you to subscribe in our channel because on a daily basis, meron tayong mga pag-aaral ng salita ng Diyos na nakapokus, especially right now sa end times na nangyayari po ngayon dito sa mundo. Yung pagtaas po ng presyo ng langis, kasama po yan. At syempre yung pong paparating na unfolding ng mga events. Pero habang nandito pa kasi tayo, hindi pa po mangyayari yan eh. Because it will happen the moment na nangyari na po ang rapture. The rapture hasn't happened yet. And we're still here. Kaya, nandito pa rin